Hi, this is Tim's blog from the Eiffel Tower in Paris on the 31st, of March. We've just had lunch, a fabulous lunch in the Jules Verne 3-star Michelin restaurant. 1 star. Oh, but the chef has got 3 stars, or the owner rather. But the food certainly was 3 stars, if not more. And here the system seems to be holding, even though it's pretty windy. And as you can see, we're on the top, well not the top, the highest level you can get to on the Eiffel Tower. This is 127 meters up. And it's great, it's working fine. So over and out, catch Tim's blog back in London.